Seeking the ultimate student experience? Look no further than Kingston, an exceptional residence in Kingston upon Thames that promises nothing short of perfection. Choose from a variety of en-suites and studios, each featuring a private bathroom for unparalleled privacy. Thoughtfully designed and tastefully furnished with state-of-the-art amenities, this stunning home has everything you need. Stay fit with a complimentary gym, socialize in vibrant communal spaces, and reside worry-free with 24/7 security. Plus, with utility bills included, managing expenses is a breeze. Located just a leisurely stroll from Kingston School of Art, Knights Park, and Kingston University, you'll never miss a lecture. After class, unwind at the nearby Fortunella Cafe or stock up at Sainsbury's and Tesco Express for your everyday needs. With bus stops like Kingston Wood Street just minutes away, exploring the city could be more convenient. So don't wait any longer. Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your ideal stay at Kingston upon Thames, where comfort, convenience, and community await.